Long live secondhand overland. Welcome back to Secondhand Overland. I'm your host, Matt Kester. This is probably the last video that you're ever going to see of Secondhand Overland as it's been known for the last 2 to 3 years. It's been a wonderful ride. It's been an excellent ride. It's been an awesome journey. I have met so many people and been so blessed with the following that we've created and the community we've created around this channel and around this brand. Something happened this summer and it shook me to my core. While I thought we could persevere and I thought we could push through, there's no way I can go ahead with this channel the way that it is. Now, that's not to say that I'm quitting YouTube. Far from it. This platform is my dream job. I love it here. And I also know, through what we've built here, that I've got the skills and the ability to continue and succeed on this platform. I'm just going to have to do it in another format. So the list is, we need chips, Chef Boyardee's, right? Just snack food, right?
Yeah.
We got everything else we need for pasta, right?
Yeah.
So just get like that and whatever you want for breakfast, and maybe a couple more energy drinks. Oh, God. Ready, break. Hey, it's gonna be okay. I know. There's something else I'm noticing here. I got too much shit. There's way too much stuff in the back of this vehicle for just a guy and his kid to be going on a trip for one night. Like, this is overkill. And when I get home, we're gonna do something about it. I don't see these trips happening in the future where we're taking off for weeks on end. And honestly, if we do, I don't know if I need this much shit. There's just way too much stuff back here. There's a better way, and we're gonna find it. Beginning of June, I lost my 2 best friends in a 2-week span. And they weren't just my 2 best friends. They were my 2 overlanding and wheeling partners that went with me on every adventure. And I thought that I could absorb that loss. And I thought that I could keep this channel moving and the momentum we had and push it to the next level inside of this space as an overland channel that's, well, wrapped up in its Land Rover identity. It's not the case. And for a few reasons, and I found out. I took one last trip. I went to Montana. And I thought, what better place to use as a backdrop for this channel and to really push things and accelerate it into the next level. And not once that whole time while I was there did I overland in this vehicle to the extent or the degree that I needed this vehicle. And it opened my eyes to some things. One, that most of what we do in this space is, let's be honest, just driving down fire roads or Forest Service roads and going camping. Overlanding is glorified car camping. In fact, overlanding is automotive backpacking. Follow me here. There's so many different disciplines to backpacking. There's your, through hiking, where you're worried about being a minimalist and going out on this adventure for such a long time, self-sustained. Or then there's your big cushy weekend backpacker who takes like an ungodly heavy backpack with him because he's only going to be out there for one night and is very comfortable. And then you've got like your European backpackers who apparently never set foot off pavement, really. I mean, you know what it is, everybody always talked about in college, I'm gonna go backpack Europe, which just meant I'm gonna put all my shit in a bag and get a Eurorail pass and sleep in hostels. But it's still considered backpacking. And that to me is what overlanding is. It's just an interdisciplinary version of automotive backpacking.
bad news, man. Your poor kid.
You ready, Jerry?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go do this.
Let's do this.
Let's embarrass this kid.
God.
Oh.
You serious?
What?
You serious right now?
What? He's bored.
This guy. We stopped for 5 minutes. He's still working out. And as you can tell, with this rebrand, I don't really like who I was last year. And I don't like the content I made in the last year because it wasn't who I was. It wasn't who I am as a person. And it was driven by a lot of things like jealousy, anger, resentment, and a crumbling marriage that amplified all of those emotions. I tried to move on. I tried to continue this channel in the vein that we have come to know it as. But I took that trip to Montana, and it was a beautiful trip, and it was wonderful for my soul. But I didn't overland. No. I continued the journey that I'm on with trail running, some hiking, and some new experiences that I never tried to experience before when I was 335 fucking pounds.
Matt. Getting Ollie. Oh my God.
What are you doing, Jerry?
I'm a filmmaker.
You are.
Yeah.
I hope the hiking video turned out okay. Now it's time to go do the rest of this. I don't know how that's gonna go. I haven't made one of these in a while. I fucking trip and the son of a bitch laughs at me every time.
I'm gonna get back to basics. And those basics mean that I'm gonna change direction. And I'm gonna find content that serves and enriches other people's lives. And I'm also gonna explore interests that I find interesting because I got to do the one thing that I wanted to do when I started YouTube, which was go hiking with the guy who made fucking videos of trails I wanted to go hike. And we talked about the future direction of this channel. And something he said resonated with me, and it was, hey Matt, on the drive in here, and you saw all these people camping along this road, how were they camping? They're car camping, Jerry. Yeah, see a lot of overlanders up here anymore? No, I don't. And then I thought more. I didn't see JKs and JLs and FJs with rooftop tents blasting up I-17. You know what I did see? I saw a lot of crossovers. And it got me thinking. Overlanding's dead. Long live overlanding, but it can't survive on $4 to $5 a gallon gas much longer. That's just a matter of pure economics. But people are still going to want to come out to the woods, and they're still want to have those experiences. And I still want to have those kinds of experiences. I just have to find another way to do it. And unfortunately, the disco's got to go. So, if you're interested, I'll put a link to the auction in the description below. Take a crack at her. You know what she's capable of. You know what I've done to her. You know what she's not capable of or what's wrong with her because we haven't hidden it from you. But she's on her way out.
How do you know when your friend has become a true influencer? Well, they start getting e-bikes to review. I think you're a real influencer now, Jerry.
I just like e-bikes.
Oh, okay. Well, they look fun. Let's go fuck with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a middle-aged man adjusting a GoPro. Strange, I know.
Maybe someday I'll come back to a Land Rover. Maybe it'll be something else. I don't know. But change is inevitable. And I can't stay in that past to move on. But I still want to make this content, and I still want to go out in the woods, and I still want to enjoy the outdoors, and I still want to have fun. But I got to do it in a different way. Thank you. Whatever happens going forward, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching what I've made, and I hope you continue to watch what I make coming forward. I really do, and I hope that you find something in it or you find it rewarding. But if not, no hard feelings. I'm not upset. I'm not sad. I understand how this works, and I'm sorry that I can't continue on with the kind of content that you enjoy or you have enjoyed. But until next time, be good.